I remember when I was a kid, I would often go to my Uncle Tony and Aunt Shirley's house. They lived in a neighborhood that had lots of trees and space around their house, which was different for me because I grew up in the city where the houses were so close together I could stick my arm out the window and shake hands with the neighbor. But one of the things that I really loved about visiting my uncle was when he would give my cousins and I rides on this wagon which he hooked up to his riding mower. He would take us around the neighborhood, down the trails at a blistering speed of 3 miles per hour. Another thing that my uncle had was this Eagle Weathervane perched to the top of his garage. After my uncle passed away in 2018, the Weathervane somehow ended up with my cousin Nick, who then passed it along to me. It's always satisfying to find something in the alley and restore it or turn it into something useful. But it's even more satisfying to restore something of personal historical significance. I can't wait to restore this Weathervane better than it has ever been. Welcome to Alley Picked. It's hard to believe that this Weathervane is still intact, no broken wings or missing pieces. I'll start by removing all the old paint. This can be done by using a liquid paint stripper, but I've had mixed results using it. It can be done using a wire wheel, which is my usual method until I found the portable sandblaster at Harbor Freight. My hope is that this is going to work quicker and more effectively. The sandblaster doesn't spray sand like you find on the beach, although that might be interesting to try out one day. I bought this blast media, which is actually a baking soda product. It's expensive, nearly $50 for a 50-pound bag. But it's such a mild abrasive that it really didn't work for this project. Then I tried this black blast media, which I got from Menards for under $10. This did a much better job removing the old paint from the detailed surfaces on the Eagle and other parts of the Weathervane. In about 30 minutes, I was ready to clean the surface and apply paint. Since this will probably end up outside in direct sunlight, I wanted to brush on an oil-based enamel paint from a can. I find that they go on thicker and protect longer. However, I did spray this blue from a rattle can because I do like the color. For this spray, I gave it 4 coats. Fortunately, I pick up some basic colors on the cheap from estate sales. For the rest of the paints, I used brush-on enamel and gave it at least 2 coats. I'd say that's a big difference. If Uncle Tony and Aunt Shirley could only see it now, I think they'd be pleased.